Hey folks, we're making a green salsa today, otherwise known as a Salsa Verde. And I just added between 1/4 and 1/2 cup of extra virgin first cold pressed olive oil to a small bowl. Next goes in about 2 tablespoons of minced dill pickle. And we add to that about 1/8 to 1/4 of a cup of a sweet onion, like a Vidalia onion or a shallot. You want that finely diced, almost minced. Next goes in the zest of 1 lemon. Now we're adding about 1.5 tablespoons of anchovy paste and a finely minced jalapeno pepper with the seeds and ribs removed. You can leave the seeds and ribs in there if you want a much spicier salsa verde. The heat is in the ribs and in the seeds on the peppers, most of the heat. And that anchovy paste is just adds something special to it that you almost don't know what it is, but when it's not there, you kind of know it. So that anchovy paste is kind of critical. It really adds a lot of flavor that you don't really realize is anchovy. And I just put in 1 teaspoon of horseradish right there. Next goes in between 1/4 and 1/2 cup of finely diced flat leaf parsley. Add to that just under between 1/8 and 1/4 of a cup of finely diced cilantro. Next goes the juice of 1 lemon, and you want to use a fresh lemon here. You don't want to use like lemon juice out of a bottle. This is a fresh sauce. You want all the best ingredients you can put in it to get the flavor out of it, the ultimate good taste that you're going for there. And I just put in a 3-finger pinch of kosher salt. And I'm going to grind in some pepper here. I'll do 3 or 4 turns of the pepper grinder. And again, this is meant to be a fresh sauce, so you want to eat it basically the same day, or maybe it'll keep for 2 or 3 days, but it's usually best to eat as fresh as possible. Here we're grinding in a little bit of black pepper to taste. And then we just kind of gently stir it around. You can whisk it a little bit. You don't want to go crazy here. All you need to do is kind of mix ingredients. And I did add, I don't think you saw it there, but there was a pinch of red pepper flake in there as well. And you can adjust this according to your temperament, not your temperament, but your taste, how well you like spicy foods and how hot you want this to be. You can mix and match, things in there how you want. This won't be spicy the way it is. It won't come across as spicy when you eat it. It may seem that way with the jalapeno and red pepper, but it's not. And there you have it. And just serve right over the top of roast chicken. It goes, I almost can't eat roast chicken without it. It's that good. It's really good. It really enhances the flavor of chicken, and the 2 ingredients kind of play off each other and make both of them shine. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more content from us, please subscribe. Thank you very much.